Hello, this is Dean and welcome to today's video. Recently my dad asked me to look at his Husqvarna weed eater. It seems that while he was trying to crank it, he heard a noise like something broke and his pull starter cord won't retract. And I want to see what's going on, so let's get after it. At first glance, I seriously thought maybe the recoil spring was broken on this weed eater and that was the reason the cord would not retract. As you can see, the cord will neither pull out any further nor go back in. Regardless, the pull starter cover is going to need to come off. There are 3 Torx bolts that hold it on. Remove all 3 as shown. Now watch the pull cord as I loosen the last cover bolt. This tells me the recoil spring is not broken. As we turn the cover around, we further test the pull cord and recoil spring. As we look closer, the drive pulley looks just fine. So what's going on here? As we examine the pawls, we can see the spring is broken on the right side pawl and the left side is missing altogether, so this is going to have to be replaced. Begin by grasping, turning, and pulling off the spark plug wire. Grab your spark plug wrench and remove the spark plug by turning it counterclockwise. Locate some soft rope and place approximately 6 inches inside the spark plug hole on top of the piston. This will act as a piston stop for this next step. Turn the pawl housing until the piston engages the rope and the housing is locked in place. The pawl nut is built onto the housing, so merely take your socket and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. This is the new Pawl assembly I ordered. You can see the pawl arms and how they are normally spring loaded. Here I'm comparing the old to the new to make sure I ordered the correct size. Once satisfied, spin the new pawl assembly onto the end of the crankshaft in a clockwise direction. With the rope still holding the piston in place, use your socket and tighten the new pawl assembly using medium pressure. Slightly rotate the pawl counterclockwise and remove the rope from the spark plug hole. When replacing the pull starter cover, carefully eyeball and align the white plastic drive pulley with the pawl arms. It's a good idea to pull on the starter cord prior to tightening the starter cover bolts to assist with alignment of the drive pulley and the pawl arms. Replace the 3 starter cover Torx bolts. I continued to test the pull starter as I go. There should be no resistance since the spark plug is still removed. Once all cover bolts are tightened, I test the pull starter one last time. Replace the spark plug by turning it clockwise, then use your spark plug tool to tighten. Do not over tighten the spark plug. Replace the spark plug wire and we use the primer bulb to pump fuel into the carburetor and then test it. And this project is complete. I want to thank you for watching today's video, and I hope that you learned from my experiences and that all your projects go smoothly. So until next time.